Newcastle United travels to West London in a must-win match. जी हाँ दोस्तों, Newcastle United plays this Sunday against Brentford. इस सीजन बड़ा ही टफ रन है इन अवे फिक्सचर. न्यूकासल यूनाइटेड ने एक भी अवे मैच नहीं जीता है. सो दिस इज अ मस्ट विन मैच एंड ब्रेंटफोर्ड सिटिंग 12th on the table and we on 13. So let's talk on game week 11, Newcastle versus Brentford. Newcastle United plays very electric at the home but opposite on the way. जी हाँ, न्यूकासल सेंट जेम्स पार्क पे बहुत फैंटास्टिक खेल रही है और वहीं ब्रेंटफोर्ड भी 12th पे बैठी है और दे प्ले रियली गुड एट देयर होम. उन्होंने लिवरपूल को हराया था गेम वीक 9 में. ब्रेंटफोर्ड और न्यूकासल की भी स्टोरी सेम है. एग्जैक्टली what we went through Isak, Brentford fans face the same situation with Louisa, and we are very similar team and we play very similar too. Brentford and Newcastle playing style is very similar. Newcastle ने brilliant of flashes दिखाए हैं but consistency lack कर रहे हैं. And same goes with the Brentford. So let's see, because two similar teams play at this week. Eddie Howe को इस week कुछ बड़े डिसीजन लेने पड़ सकते हैं. लेफ्ट बैक पे कौन खेलेगा? लुइस हॉल का कैमियो बड़ा फैंटास्टिक था अगेंस्ट एथलेटिक क्लब बिलबाओ. शायद एडी हाउ डैन बर्न के साथ ही स्टिक करे क्योंकि एक एक्स्ट्रा मैन ऑफ अ बिग हाइट का एडवांटेज मिलता है अगेंस्ट टीम्स लाइक ब्रेंटफोर्ड. सो लेट्स सी हु ही विल प्ले. बट डैन बर्न और जो लिंटन साथ में एक terrible combo because no dynamism on the left hand side. Kieran Tripper on the right side did a good job against Athletic, so I hope he continues the form. Tonali or Guimaraes 9 out of 10 will be good on performance. So it's a concern about Joe Linton. हालांकि जो लिंटन ने एक गोल मारा था against Athletic Club, but it comes once in a 5 game his performance. So it has to be 3 to 5 minimum. Nick Woltemade is the best finisher in our team as of now. Harvey Barnes और Jacob Murphy को सर्विस देनी होगी as Jacob Murphy was doing with the Isak. Like, you are the main man. So Nick Woltemade is the best finisher as of now in our team. Woltemade need a service. So Jacob Murphy and Harvey Barnes has job to do. So Gordon is injured with the hip injury. I hope he doesn't get a call up from England so he have a time to recover. And this is a very important fixture. Evin here will push up us up from the Brentford and यहाँ से हम momentum build on कर सकते हैं. And it would be our first win in away fixture, which is little sad. But what we can do, we had no strikers. Now we signed 2 strikers. अगर उनमें से एक ने अभी तक बॉल भी किक नहीं की है. Is expected to come in Brentford fixture, but अभी news आई है Wisa might play in first week of December, not before. The good thing is Lewis Hall is back. Livramento is healing soon. My prediction is 1-1 draw because बहुत ही similar teams हैं. दोनों एक जैसा फुटबॉल खेलती हैं almost similar kind of team. Aerial presence है दोनों teams की. So my prediction is 1-1. But अगर न्यूकासल यहाँ से एक विन निकाल लेती है, it would be fantastic because अगर न्यूकासल यहाँ पे एक अगर विन निकाल लेती है, it will not just bring us a points, it will restore our confidence in away fixtures because we had a poor performance in away fixture. So Jordies, what do you think? Can Newcastle break their away curse? Drop your prediction in the comments. Please like, subscribe and share the Indian Jordy. Until next time, how with the lads.